This is Skippy and Bella. They are my bluebird. They will be released at the Blue Party, which in honor of Rachel's 21st birthday. This is a yurt. This is a wooden magical yurt that is so beautiful and peaceful. And you could see Bella and Skippy. Bella, Skippy, so beautiful. And big sky night. At night you could see the star. These are original painting from local artists. This is a beautiful wooden yurt and it's for sale. If anyone interested in buying, call me. My number is 707-572-7800. You could buy this beautiful yurt, and it also comes with 2 bluebird. Thank you so much.